Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video, as you can tell by my voice, I am super excited. I am doing some plantain shot glasses and I'm going to fill it with some saltfish. And for this recipe, we're going to start off with our ripe plantain. Now I'm just going to cut the both ends, just about an inch or two, slice along the skin and just cut it in half. Allow it to boil until soft, which is typically about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm also going to add some salt in there. And the plantain is all done. And then we start to go in with some flour. So I have this silicone mold. I bought it on Amazon. I'll link it in my bio. And I'm going to use this to fill up with the plantain, and then I'm going to place it into the freezer. And this is how they look. And into the freezer it goes. I'm going to allow it to freeze. Now I'm having it freeze overnight, and then I'll see you guys in the morning. So guys, I went ahead with some egg wash and some panko breadcrumbs, and I coated these, and I'll be starting to fry them now. And this is how it looks, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned into the next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.